This is exciting. Just turned up now. I've got a GoPro Hero 4, which is great, except that the audio is pretty rubbish. Now I'm doing a bit of traveling in a few weeks, and I thought, I wonder what options there are for external microphones for GoPros. So, because I've been listening to a couple of different vlogs, like the awesome Nate and Cara. I'll give you guys a plug because you're awesome. And I bought this little thing. So what it is, it's just a plug-in mic, little stereo mic. You can see that it's adjustable, and the build quality is surprisingly good. And it was $4 Australian dollars. You know, how on earth do they make that? So you get a little GoPro clip, you get two little windscreens. We'll see how good they are, and you get the adapter like that, and you also get basically a mounting bracket. Now this is don't know, let's have a look. So obviously that has to line up with the top there, a little bit tight to get in. Hope I don't snap that cheap Chinese plastic in half. Looks like I'm already recording something. Yes, I am. It's a bit dodgy, but basically that goes in the side, and the mic simply plugs in like so. And if you wanted to, I suppose you could tilt that around and have that facing forward. So, don't know. But it's pretty cool that you get this little case as well. So you can use a little adapter. You can use the little slot adapter they've given you. Anyway, I'm going to do some tests and see how it goes. So I've just put the little windsocks on. So at the moment I have actually got that set up so that this one is right. So technically that should be spinning around, so that as you're facing, that is right, that is left, and it feels a little bit flimsy. The whole thing's just hanging on the side of the old mini USB slot there. But you know what? I think if I put a rubber band around that just to hold it in, it would be okay and stable enough. Okay. So this is the GoPro with just with the onboard mic, and doing about 35 k's an hour. So next is going to be a test with the little side mic plugged in, and we'll see how we go. Okay, so I'll get up to the same speed. Here we go, 35 k's an hour, 38, 40 k's an hour. It's pretty breezy. The last test is to wrap this polyester around the mic and act as more of a wind buffer. Now we've got the wind buffer on. Okay, so this is my test speed. So 38, 40 k's an hour. Don't get hit by a car. Okay, again 36, 37 k's an hour. And the next test will be the definitive selfie spin test. Patent pending. So I can hear crickets in the background. Be interested to see if they come up on this mic. By the way, no external mics, this is the onboard GoPro mic. The obligatory wharf on the bike ride home selfie spin. So we'll see how this goes. Fairly strong breeze. Rinse and repeat. So this is with the external mic plugged in, just with the little factory windsocks that they come with. So rinse and repeat Mark 2. So the wind has just picked up a bit. I've got the polyester shroud on the onboard mic windsocks. So windsock on a windsock. So we'll see how that goes. What a glorious day. First world problems. Testing microphones.